If you want to make money with TikTok Shop affiliates, this is a must-watch video because I'm going to break down the 3 steps to get started making money right now. And I also want to highlight a success story of my sister and husband who did over $8,000 in the last 30 days and are on track to profit over 5 figures with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. And they've only been at it for 3 months. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to break down the steps to making your first dollar with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. This opportunity at your feet is unbelievable. And to be honest, I've never seen something so good and you need to take advantage of it. So what I want to do is give you 3 steps on how to actually get started to make your first dollar. But before, I want to inspire you with the success story of my sister and husband who are crushing it with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. So I'm going to put up a screenshot right here and you're going to see in the last 30 days, they have generated over $8,000 in commissions. This is pure profit to their bank account. And this does not include the free product that they're getting and the brand deal fees that they're charging on top of the commissions. So when you add all of that, they're making over 5 figures every single month from this program. And they've been at it for a couple months. And it's crazy to think about because literally you can go and do the same exact thing. There's nothing stopping you. And again, this video is going to be a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. And right here, you'll see just in the last 15 days, they've done over $5,000 in commissions. And so they're on pace this month to break 5 figures just in commissions alone. And they've generated over $30,000 in revenue by making simple 15, 20, 30-second videos on TikTok. Absolutely insane. And not only that, their life has completely changed. They no longer have 9-to-5 jobs. They don't work for anybody. They have the financial freedom to do whatever they want when they want. My sister can be a full-time mom. They're actually going on a vacation tomorrow. They're going on a cruise. And when they're on this cruise, first, they were able to pay for the cruise because of the TikTok Shop affiliate program. And second, they're going to be making money every single day while they are on that cruise because they have the TikTok Shop affiliate program working for them in the background. So literally printing money on vacation, it does not get better than that. So I share that story with you just to inspire you and let you know that, hey, look, if they can do it, you can do it too. So with that being said, let's dive into the first step to getting started. So the first step to getting started is unlocking your TikTok Shop affiliate account. Now, you do have to have 5,000 followers in order to unlock TikTok Shop affiliates, but I have good news for you. There should be no reason that not every single person watching this video can't not achieve that number. And the reason being is I have a completely free course that I'm going to give to you to walk you through the entire process. I want to help you as much as I possibly can. And the way that I'm going to do that is right here. So I built a community on School. It's called Review Your Champions. It's completely free. As you can see, I've got 48 membership requests just today. We have over 3,000 members. We have over 21 people online right this second. And if you come to this classroom tab, you're going to see a bunch of free courses, but right here, 0 to 5,000 TikTok follower course. So I'm literally going to walk you through the entire process and how you can go get your first 5,000 followers. And once you do that, you can unlock your TikTok Shop affiliate account. This is game changer, completely free. I'll put the link down below where you guys can join this. And that's going to be the first step, is unlocking that account. And we have the blueprint for you. Now, for those that already have 5,000 followers, that's great. You're literally one step ahead of that next person and things are just going to get easier. To be honest, that's the hardest part. And I don't want you to get discouraged or be scared about, oh, it's a daunting task to get 5,000 followers. That seems impossible. It's not. And it might take you a few weeks. It might take a couple months. But the average business takes 2+ years to become profitable. And this business, it requires 0 capital up front to get started. All it requires is time. And so for you to spend 10, 15 minutes a day growing your account on the background, you can do this because there's no risk. There's no overhead attached to starting this business. So again, the link will be down below. Get signed up, watch the 0 to 5K course. And once you get that unlocked, the second step, this is where the secret sauce comes in, is finding winning products to review. This is where new affiliates struggle. Affiliates that don't make revenue or commissions, they struggle because they're reviewing the wrong products. And the way that we're going to review the best products is by using a tool called CaloData. I'll put the link down below. It's 10% discount just for you because you watched this video. You guys can sign up, and this is going to allow you to find products that are going to make you the most money. So we're going to click on this product tab right here and come over here to these filters. This is where we're going to enter in specific requirements that we are looking for in a winning TikTok Shop affiliate product. And the first thing that we're going to look at is the dates. So we're going to do the last 30 days. We're going to come here to the revenue. We're going to do 20,000 to 200,000. I don't want products doing less because they haven't proven the concept, but I don't want products that are doing too crazy of numbers because they just get a little too competitive. And if we come over here to, is it an affiliate product? We need to make sure that they allow affiliate commissions, or it makes zero sense to do a video on it. The creator numbers, we don't want too many creators, because if there's thousands of them, well, that's going to be saturated. And then if there's not enough, the concept is not yet proven. And so we're going to select that and then hit submit. A few other things that you can look at is commission rate. So commissions where it's over 15 or over 20%, those are actually great things to look at as well, but I'm just going to leave that plain. And from here, we're going to scroll and we're just going to find product after product. And what's funny is this is actually a product that I reviewed and I've made commissions on right here, is this Moxie Complete bundle. So I have a Cybertruck, and I was like, hey, this is going to be perfect. I can make a video cleaning my Cybertruck because, hey, this is the perfect product that kind of goes along the same lines. And since the Cybertruck has some hype, I was like, hey, I'm going to make a video about that. And that's the thought process that I want you to have. Now, you might not have a Cybertruck, and that does not matter. That's not going to be the make or break of why you make money or not. But that is just my thought process. As I see these products, I think, okay, how can I make a viral video or a video that would convert with this particular product? And so as I'm scrolling, I'm like, okay, this is interesting. And then another pro tip, which we'll get into on the third step, is you can come over here and you can actually see what other influencers and other creators are doing, and you can literally just copy and learn from them. So anyways, we'll keep scrolling and see if there's any other products. We've got this bloody lip tint, which is actually kind of interesting. We've got a push lawn sweeper, which I don't know what that is. I don't know what this is, but you might be in like, oh yeah, I know exactly what that is and I can make a great video. We've got this portable comfort knee massager. This is fantastic. Like this, I know for a fact you could make an insane viral video. They've done almost $200,000 in the last 30 days. And you can come over here and you can see these creators. And this is exactly what I was kind of thinking of, is look at this, showing exactly what they're doing. We've got a neck massager. We've got this pregnancy pillow. So if you've got your wife is pregnant, this is you're teeing yourself up, or maybe you're pregnant. This is perfect. So that is how I'm finding products. And again, that was just on the first page. There's 132 pages, and we can come over here and filter it by category or something specific that you're interested in, such as fashion or maybe beauty or toys and hobbies or pet supplies or men's wear and underwear, whatever the case is. You can come over here and select the category. So that is the first step, is to find winning products that have good revenue, products that have proven the concept, products that don't have a ton of affiliates, and products that allow affiliate commissions. Those are the main things that I'm looking at. And if you can do that, then that jumps into the third step, which is creating the video and uploading it to TikTok. So I just showed you guys kind of my thought process as I was going through. I thought, okay, I have a truck, I can make a video about it. But let's say you don't have it. Well, that's okay. You can come over here and you can watch exactly what this guy is doing, and you can basically copy his video and make it your own. You can come right here and like this, I don't even know how to pronounce this, but I can come and see, okay, how did this girl generate so much revenue? And I can watch the video and I can learn from her, and then I can go and make that same video. These videos shouldn't be taking you more than like 10 to 20 minutes. So when we do the math, and this is the tip that I want to give you, is you need to be at least uploading and tagging 100 products a month. And so that comes out to just over 3 videos a day, which, if you do the math, that comes out to about 25 hours a month. And if you can do 100 plus videos a month while using this strategy, finding the best products, and then taking the ideas from creators that are crushing it and making your own, and if you can make good quality videos and put out 100, there is no possible way where you are not going to start generating revenue, and you are going to get to the point where you're making $5,000, $10,000, even maybe $20,000 plus per month. So that's the blueprint. Get approved, find the products, and then you're going to film and upload those videos, taking, again, CaloData has the top creators, and you can actually come right here to the creators tab and you can see who are the top creators and what products they're promoting. And you can go look at their accounts and see what kinds of videos they're creating, learn from them, and then just implement it into your business. So now that you have that, I want to show you how to actually upload these videos to TikTok, tag the products, and start making money. Okay, so here we are inside my phone on my TikTok account. I'm gonna come right here to this little upload button. So once I filmed it, I'm gonna come right here, I come to videos, and I already have a video that's ready for me to post. So this one right here, I hit next, and I can add some text. I can do whatever. This is basically promoting a heating and cooling cup holder. I add a description. I come right here to add link. I hit the product. I come find the product. I scroll down until I see the product. So right here, I add this product. I'm going to give it a name, Smart 2-in-1 Car Cup Warmer. I'm going to add that. I'm going to put a description. I'm going to add hashtags, and I'm going to hit post. That's literally that simple. That's the process. Get your account approved, find winning products using CaloData, use CaloData to see what creators are performing well, what videos are working for them, make that video your own, and then take that video and upload it to your TikTok account. And boom, just like that, you're going to start literally printing money on autopilot. So I'll put the links down below for the free school group. I'll put the link to CaloData. I hope you guys enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial on how to start making money with TikTok Shop affiliates and scaling to over $10,000 every single month. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.